Tributes have been paid to the musician and singer Séamus Begley, who died suddenly last night. President Michael D. Higgins said Séamus Begley, who was a native of the West Kerry Gaeltacht, will be remembered for his talent, his warmth and his sense of fun.
Comimish gan ceol, comimish a dianamh. Níl é howlú. And that is far a fad me other. And to sit it so bed and factly dianamh go to see agus go to glach. But she's boring if it is behind back in television. Spelling son spur of the moment and do the and run off rehearsed. Ní gin is rehearsal at my hair agus. Ní has no minish.
The musician here is fulfilling a social function. You're playing for the set dances during the week, and if there's a baptism or a wedding or a funeral, you'll be playing for those people. You're playing for the same families, the same people all the time. A musician here is part of the social fabric of the community.
It's just a different world. I mean, the beauty is there, you know, everyone can see that. It's stunning. But it's special because the spirit that's there, you know, I think there's a spirit in that area in West Kerry. I feel it when I go down there. It's just something about the place that draws you back and draws you back.
It's a different consciousness down there, and there's an older world that has survived there. It's like a land of giants, the size of those mountains, that Mount Breanndán and the Three Sisters and all that. It's big scale. It's mythical. And he was a mythical character, at home in it.
Fach fair bhí nach bhíanana. Gá bhíige hóbín séh agus hastig bhuaig a gcónaí go mecht an éigean eile a canan na húráin. Ní raibh sé cumádach féin méid bhíige.
It's just pure magic. It's hard to explain. His box playing and his singing. He made it look easy. There's nobody in this world that could really imitate him.